Prakash Dental Care. I am Dr. H.P. Prakash. Been practicing since 35 years in HSR level, in and around HSR level. Welcome to my practice. And the best part is I'm proud and happy to introduce my new gadget which has been introduced to my practice. Is called Prime Scan. The Prime Scan is the one which will be used for scanning the teeth and associated structures, wherein we can fabricate the crown in the clinic itself. We have this facility in-house. It's a top-notch equipment or the tool or a gadget which has been beneficial to the patients and easy to handle also. The scanner is called Prime Scan, which is used to scan the teeth and associated structure, which will be very accurate, and we can avoid the messy work of using any kind of impression material like alginate and rubber base, etc. See, one more advantage of scanning is we can even identify the details of the disease like abrasion, decay, caries, and it will be very easy for the patient to notice their problem in the screen in the Prime Scan. So once we do this scanning, for example for a crown or a bridge work, we will pass on the message online to the CeraMill, the Prime Mill, which will mill the crown according to design we fabricate. After doing this, after milling it, we will pass on the crown to this area which is called Cerex Speedfire, which will fabricate the crown and harden the crown, and then it is ready for delivery to the patient. All this process happens in a matter of 45 minutes to 90 minutes, 45 minutes to 1 hour, and patient can, same sitting, they can go for a crown and bridge work by just waiting 1.5 hours or so. Immediately after doing root canal, we can fabricate this crown, and same day dentistry, a single day dentistry is easy to do with this kind of gadgets, and it is very accurate. Also, I am proud and happy to say that we have all the gadgets which is latest and the best in the world, like microscope, Prime Scan, plus scanner, and also the milling units. And we have a geared up team, very hard working, dedicated team along with my son. He has completed his masters in endodontics and cosmetics, along with Dr. Sharanya, Dr. Shivani, Dr. Shubha, and many other doctors are there whose consultants have all been consistently working with me for many more continuously. We are all very dedicated to do good service to the patients. Also, we will not give any kind of rules for doing any unethical practice. Also, this is the CeraMill. I wanted to show you the block which has been introduced, which has been given to the milling unit, which is called CeraMill blocks. This is the kind of block which is there, which will be introduced to the, it will be given to the CeraMill thing. It will mill the thing and mill the crown according to the design what we give. Also, these things will be very accurate fitting wise. Since the doctor is designing it, there will not be any chance of any misappropriate fittings or any kind of contact opening, and all this will be very accurate, and quality of the materials will be known to us, so that durability of the crown and the usage the patient will be very comfortable. I am very proud and happy to say that all the support has been given by all the doctors plus my wife, who is a medical officer. Been practicing since 1990. I'm very happy and passionate about my practice, and very happy to give service to my patients. I've been seeing many of them coming to me and telling me that we are happy. We have been using your root canals and crowns for past 20-25 years, which gives us more inspiration, and really we feel like working more harder and also more hard, and also give service to the patients. Not only that, when it comes to surgical part, when it comes to crown and bridge, and any part of the dentistry, including bleaching, whitening, we have a room whitener, and we have, name it, we have all the materials. We are very passionate about it, and we are very ethical practice. We do it. We don't do any kind of unethical practice. We are very organized, and also organic practice we do. I'm proud to present myself and my team to you all to do service. We love to extend our service in future, coming year also in the best way. And also I am assure you will get the best of the best in my clinic. Thank you.